Hello everyone, welcome back to Igbo Language Simplified. I hope you've been enjoying the videos. Okay, today we want to look at names of people in the family, names of members of the family. If you want to say mother in Igbo language, how do you say mother in Igbo language? To know that, watch the video. So let's begin. Family. Family in Igbo is ezinaụlọ. Ezinaụlọ. Or you can also refer to family as ndị be, maọbụ, or ezinaụlọ. So if you want to ask someone, how is your family? You can simply say, kedu maka ezinaụlọ gị? Kedu maka ezinaụlọ gị? Or you can say, kedu maka ndị You can say, kedu maka ndị be gị, or kedu maka ezinaụlọ gị. It means, how is your family? Okay, so to the first one, father. Father. Father in Igbo is nna. Nna. Father. Nna. Nna. If you want to say my father, my father. My is mu. You say nnam. Nnam, my father. Nnam, my father. Nne. Nne, mother. Mother is nne. Mother is nne. 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 Nnem. Nnem. Mu is my. Nnem, my mother. Nnem, my mother. Nne, your mother. So nne is mother. Nne, mother. Parents. Nne na nna. Like I said before, I said nne is mother. Nna is father. So nne na nna. Mother and father is parents. Like we know, our mother and our father is our parents. So parents in Igbo language is nne na nna. My parents are coming. If you want to say my parents are coming, you can say nne na nnam na-abịa. Nne na nnam na-abịa. Nne na nnam na-abịa. Sibling. Sibling in Igbo is nwanne. Nwanne. Nwanne means my mother's child. My mother's child. Nwanne. Sibling. That's when you are referring to one person. Nwanne. But when you are referring to more than one person, siblings. Siblings is ụmụnne. My mother's children. My mother's children. Ụmụnne. Ụmụnne. Sibling. Nwanne. If it's one person, and for more than one person, you say ụmụnne. Ụmụnne. Brother. Brother is nwanne nwoke. Nwanne nwoke. That's my mother's child, that is a boy. Nwanne nwoke. Nwoke is male. Nwanne nwoke. Brother. Nwanne. Nwanne nwoke. Nwanne nwoke. If you want to ask someone, do you have a brother? Do you have a brother? You can say, or you say, I nwere nwanne nwoke. I nwere nwanne nwoke. I nwere nwanne nwoke. Do you have a brother? Sister. Sister, your sister. Nwanne nwanyị. Nwanne nwanyị. If you want to say my sister, nwannem, my nwannem nwanyị. Nwannem nwanyị. So sister is nwanne nwanyị. Nwanne nwanyị. My mother's child, that is a female. Nwanne nwanyị. If you want to ask someone, do you have a sister? You can say, I nwere nwanne nwanyị. I nwere nwanne nwanyị. Sister is nwanne, nwaanyi. Husband in Igbo is di. Husband, di. Dim, my husband. My husband, dim. My husband, dim. My husband, dim. Husband, di. Wife is nwunye. Wife, nwunye. Wife, nwunye. Nwunye, my wife. Nwunye, if you want to say my wife in Igbo language, you can simply say nwunye, my wife. In-law, ogo. In-law in Igbo language is ogo. If you want to say my in-law, you say ogom, my in-law, ogom. My in-law will come. If you want to say my in-law will come in Igbo language, it's ogom ga-abịa. Ogom ga-abịa. Ogom ga-abịa. Ogom ga-abịa. My in-law will come. Ogom ga-abịa. So ogo is in-law in Igbo language. Mother-in-law. Mother-in-law. Nne di or nne nwunye. If you are a female and you want to refer to your mother-in-law, you say nne di. That is your husband's mother. Nne di. But if you are a male and you want to refer to your mother-in-law, you say nne nwunye. That is your wife's mother. Nne nwunye, your wife's mother. So mother-in-law is nne di maọbụ or nne nwunye, depending on the person saying it, that is if you are a male or a female. Father-in-law. Father-in-law is nna di or nna nwunye. Nna di or nna nwunye. Like I explained for mother-in-law, if you are a male and you want to refer to your father-in-law, you say nna nwunye. Nna nwunye, that is your wife's father. Nna nwunye. But if you are a female and you want to refer to your father-in-law, you say nna di. Nna di, that is your husband's father. Nna di or nna nwunye, father-in-law. I hope you got that. Baby is nwa. Baby, nwa. My baby, nwam. Nwa is baby. A new baby is nwa ohuru. Nwa ohuru. So baby is nwa. Daughter, nwa nwanyị. Daughter, nwa nwanyị. That is a baby or a child that is a female. Nwa nwanyị. See her daughter. If you want to say see her daughter in Igbo, it's lee nwa ya nwanyị. Lee nwa ya nwanyị. Nwa nwanyị. Daughter. Son, nwa nwoke. Son, nwa nwoke. That is a child or a baby that is a male. Nwa nwoke. Nwa m nwoke nọ ebe a. Nwa m nwoke nọ ebe a. My son is here. Nwa m nwoke nọ ebe a. My son is here. Nwa m nwoke nọ ebe a. My son is here. Nwa nwoke, son. Children is ụmụ. Or you can say ụmụaka. Ụmụ or ụmụaka. Ụmụ or ụmụaka. Children. Ụmụ. Children. Does he have children? O nwere ụmụaka. O nwere ụmụaka. Ụmụaka is children. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to support me by subscribing. Dalu, thank you. Godi.